Hi, I'm Shalinda and I just made my first online commission with Internet Jet Set.
I just made my first commissions online.
I'm freaking excited today. If you guys can't tell, I got my first sale.
I just made my first commissions with the Internet Jet Set.
The first day I got 3 sales, which is pretty freaking amazing.
I've made several sales already. Jet Set program made me money. Within 2 days, I got my first sale.
It's an amazing system. I love it.
First system that I was able to earn money online. So it was pretty amazing. And
I've been in sales for over 20 years. I'm 45 years old because I am a father with 2 kids.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and I've been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business.
I'm currently working 9 to 5.
I hurt my back at work, and I can't really go back to work for a bit.
Being brand new to affiliate marketing, I followed the steps step by step.
But it's pretty simple. I had no experience.
This took no brains at all.
Pretty freaking crazy because I had no clue what I was doing.
He walks you through what you have to do.
Hi, my name's John Crestani, and this is your invitation to join a webinar that I'm hosting on how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
If you're still earning an hourly wage or a monthly salary, you probably know something's very wrong. And it's because you're the part of a corporate system that's been designed and rigged against you to take your freedom and your time away from you like a slave. Now, if you'd like to learn how you can finally create the freedom that you deserve and join a community of internet entrepreneurs that are doing the same for themselves and learn how you can create your own online income, then register for this webinar today. Reserve your seat on one of the webinars I'm hosting this week. There should be a link below or a box somewhere on this page. See you there.